Hello there, this is the planning briefing for Sunday, March 19th. Well, we're going to have a weather front that will bring rain and snow on Monday, and then weak low pressure will develop over southwest Montana Monday night and bring a chance for snow from Butte to Lemhi County and points west. And also high pressure on Wednesday, except there could be some residual showers in Lemhi County. Light mountain snow Thursday above 3,500 feet. A cold front will move through Thursday night and bring breezy conditions and snow showers for many elevations on Friday. Also could be graupel showers too. And there could be a chance for moderate mountain snow in Idaho. Cooler and unsettled weather continues into the weekend. Looking at the weather risk outlook, basically we're looking at snow in the mountains, passes on Monday. It will be mild, so be a lot of melt going on. After dark, Monday night and the Tuesday could be more of a moderate impact, with some snow on the roads, southwest Montana to Lemhi County. Then we were talking about that before, showers Lemhi County mainly, southern Idaho County on Wednesday. Snow passes on Thursday. Chance for snow for many elevations on Friday, post cold front. Snow showers, mainly mountains, and then the showers will be more scattered across the valley locations. Here's a look at the satellite loop today. Low pressure moving up in Alaska, and you can see that weather front that is moving on shore over Oregon. Here's a surface map valid for Tuesday morning. Kind of a polar frontal boundary stalled over western Montana. Kind of a northerly flow with snow showers. So in terms of this weather front that's coming in, here is a graphic that shows the onset timing of the precipitation. This is the earliest, so this would be like the earliest that the precipitation could occur in these locations. So Grangeville could be 4 a.m., Missoula 6 p.m. on Monday, Lost Trail 5 a.m., Williams Creek Summit could be as early as 3 a.m., 3 p.m. for Butte, 2 p.m. around the Marion area. This is kind of more of the mean of a lot of the models. This might be more of kind of like the best guess for timing for the start of the rain and snow showers. So 8 a.m. Grangeville, 7 p.m. Missoula and Butte, 8 p.m. up towards Kyla, towards midnight near Polson. This is looking at the probability of a tenth of water equivalent Monday night. This is kind of showing those areas with a chance for a little bit heavier shower activity. Looking at the mountains of north central Idaho, Lost Trail, mountains of Lemhi County, mountains near Georgetown Lake to Butte. Probability of greater than 2 inches of snow from the NBM. Kind of showing the mountain areas, mountain pass areas, close to 90% at Lost Trail, and greater than 60% like Gilmore Summit, close to 100% Williams Creek Summit, and higher probability south of Butte. This is looking at like the high resolution models, their probability for greater than 2 inches. It's a little higher, especially for like Homestake Pass. It's got 100% probability greater than 2 inches. Also south of I-15 of Butte, we're looking at 85% probability for Pierce and Grangemont, 70% Lola Pass, and 50% Whitebird Hill. This is a radar forecast from a model with precipitation type based off of that model, generally showing snow in the mountains and then chance for some rain, and then it's a low possibly developing across southwest Montana Monday night, which could add extra snowfall to that area. And here's a look at some select cities across the region. We're looking at temperatures in the 40s and near 60 in Orofino on Wednesday. Pretty mild during the days, low temperatures at night, generally near freezing, or in case for Kalispell, it could be down in the lower 20s Wednesday and Thursday mornings. But overall, we're near to slightly below average on temperatures. Here's a look at sky cover forecast. So the gray colors mean more cloudy. So Monday with that system into Tuesday morning, and then some partial clearing, and could see a decent amount of sunshine for like western Montana, except for like the Butte area, and also except for the Grangeville area on Wednesday might be more partly cloudy. And then another system coming on Friday, so increased cloud cover. And here's a snow forecast. Right now we're looking close to 5 inches for Butte, but the caveat here is that 2.6 inches falling Monday afternoon is probably going to melt and not really accumulate that much. More of the overnight period, might get an inch or inch and a half near Butte, and then, like we saw before, maybe a chance for 2 inches or more closer to Homestake Pass, and more of a skiff elsewhere. Looking ahead on Friday, we're looking at 70% chance of greater than 2 inches for Lookout Pass, 60% chance of greater than 2 inches at Lost Trail, and mountains, Clearwater Mountains of Idaho also have pretty high probability for snowfall with that front that's going to move through. Just to give you a little bit of a look at like mountain locations, this is looking at Mullen Pass, close to Lookout Pass. And on Monday, we're cooling closer to 33 to 35 degrees, generally in that low to mid 30s, and then a little warmer on Wednesday with some sun, closer to 40, and then kind of cooling towards Friday, especially behind that front, and then staying cooler, and then moderating a little bit, but staying around that freezing mark towards early next week. All right, and then looking at precip at Mullen Pass there, we're looking at 0.3, could be equating to about 3 or 4 inches there. Then you have to account for some of that melting during the day. Then another system on Friday, the weather front, that could bring another, 5 inches of snow. And then yet another system after that could bring a little bit more snow for early next week, last week in March. FYI, this is the current snow water equivalent across north central Idaho. We're looking at right at 100% of normal. Western Montana, we're near 100%. Flathead, Kootenai area, it's just a little bit below average. And Bitterroot's around 90%. Looking at the 6 to 10 day outlook, we're looking at a 33 to 40% leaning for above average precipitation. This is from March 25th through 29th period. Temperatures, we're looking at 70 to 80% leaning for below average temperatures in northwest Montana, and an 80 to 90% leaning for below temperatures elsewhere, including Lemhi County.